Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get 150 gigabytes of free storage on Google Drive. So you can see on my main here, my account is almost full. You can see there's only about 300 megabytes left. And if I want to get more storage, I will have to pay for a subscription, right? So about this much for 30 gigabytes and then about this much for 100 gigabytes. It's pretty expensive, right? So the thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna exploit one of Google's generosity, you can say. Now you can say that when you make a new Google account, Google give you a free 15 gigabyte storage along with it. So if we make a lot of accounts, we can keep getting 15 gigabytes of storage. Now, yes, this does mean that you will have to manage a lot more Google accounts, but it's free storage, right? So, for example, here I have one of my other accounts on Google, right? So, if I use this account and I want to create a new folder, and I'm just gonna name this extra storage, right? Extra storage. And then I'm gonna share this with my main account, right? So, on my main account, I'm gonna add it in. I'm gonna click on send. And then from there, if I go back to shared with me, you can see the folder now appears here. Now, if I want to upload anything on this extra storage, I will have to upload it on this account, but I can access it anywhere from this account, right? So if I want to download view, I can do it from my main, but if I want to upload anything or keep anything or back up anything, it will have to be on my alt, right? So for example, here, I'm gonna upload one of my videos. Let me upload it, file upload. I'm gonna upload one of my videos here. You can see it'll upload like this, right? And it's no issue. My storage is here and it's fine. But if I try to upload it here, if I try to file upload here, you see, give it a second, it'll just show up as an error right now. Now you can see my storage is full here, but you can see earlier in the alt, was uploading just fine. So if you have over a lot of accounts and you have a lot of alt accounts, you can see how this could stack up to 150 gigabytes of storage really, really fast. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.